it! New Trends in Computers. Book 5. Lesson 5. Shapes and Pictures in MS Word. MS Word provides various tools to insert different shapes in your documents to improve its look and feel. Let us discuss these tools. Drawing various objects. These are the basic types of graphics that you can use to enhance your Microsoft Office Word documents. For example, shapes, smart art, screenshots, charts, pictures, and clip art. Drawing objects such as shapes, diagrams, flowcharts, curves, lines, and word art can be changed and enhanced with colors, patterns, borders, and other effects. Under Illustrations group, all these things are present. Add, change, or delete shapes. You can add one shape to your Microsoft Office 2010 file or combine multiple shapes to make a drawing or a more complex shape. Available shapes include lines, basic geometric shapes, arrows, equation shapes, flowchart shapes, stars, banners, and callouts. After you add one or more shapes, you can add text, bullets, numberings, and quick styles to them. On the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, click Shapes. Right-click the shape that you want to add and then click Lock Drawing Mode. Click anywhere in the document and then drag to place the shape. Repeat this for each shape that you want to add. After you add all the shapes that you want, press Escape key. Adding text to a shape. Right-click the shape that you want to add text to. Click Add Text option from the pull-down menu and start typing your text. After inserting the text in the shape and right-clicking the shape, the Add Text option changes to Edit Text option. Add a bulleted or numbered list. Select the text that you want to add bullets or numbering to. Right-click the selected text and, on the shortcut menu, do one of the following. To add bullets, click Bullets and then choose the options that you want. To add numbering, click Numbering and then choose the options that you want. Adding drawings. Click in your document where you want to create the drawing. On the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, click Shapes. You can do any of the following on the Format tab, which appears after you insert a drawing shape. Insert a shape on the Format tab in the Insert Shapes group. Click a shape and then click somewhere in the document. Change a shape. Click the shape you want to change. On the Format tab in the Insert Shapes group, click Edit Shape. Point to change shape and then choose a different shape.